Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the options and how to forbid applications from using body sensors in Samsung Galaxy S22. So where to look for this option? We need to go to Settings, then Security and Privacy menu, and here we have Privacy Options. In Privacy Options we are interested in Permission Manager. Permission Manager has all available permission that can be granted or taken away in our phone. We are interested in body sensors. As you can see, we have 2 out of 3 applications that are allowed to use our body sensors. For example, we have here Samsung Health. Let's say we don't want it here, so simply do not allow, back out, and now this application is no longer allowed to use our body sensors. That's all, very simple. I hope this video is helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.